Hello again, everyone. It's Elizabeth with Rising Stars Music School, and today I'm going to teach you how to name all of the keys on your keyboard in a very simple and easy to remember format. So our musical alphabet has 7 letters. It goes from A to G, and today we're going to focus in on how to find those 7 letters very quickly and very easily using our sets of 2s and 3s on our black keys. So the first thing we want to do is, as you look at your keyboard, you'll see that is a repeating pattern from one end to the other, with the exception of this one, because most of your keyboards, well, all of your full-size keyboards and pianos, they are going to start on an A, and they're going to end on a C. So what that means is that you're going to end up with this one solitary black key down here at the end. So we will talk about that here in just a moment. For right now, we want to focus in on 2 black keys. So these 2 black keys are going to help us find the letters C, D, and E. So if you can remember a rhyme, hey diddle diddle, D's in the middle, it's going to be the key that is right between the 2 black keys. So everywhere you see these 2, you can find D. D, 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 D. So now, if we move to the left, we have C, and to the right, we have an E. So now we can use our 2 black keys to find all of our C's and E's. So C, E, C, E, C, E, C, E, C, E, C, E. So now we're going to focus in on our 3 black keys. So these 3 here, and again, a repeating pattern, and that one last one that goes right there. So if you think of these like a book has a front cover and it has a back cover. So if you think about that, the first letter of front is F, the first letter of back is B. So going from left to right, F, B, front, back, F, B, in front, in back, F, B, F, B, F, B, F, B, F, B, and now B, way down here. So now what we're left with is this middle black key here, which has G, A. So around the middle one, G, A, G, A, G, A, G, A, G, A, G, A, and there's our first A. So as you can see, this is a pretty simple technique you can use. I know a lot of people want to use the stickers on their keys. I'm not a fan of stickers on the keys, and here's why. You get used to reading the sticker and not really paying attention to how it sits with these black keys. And in a future video coming up soon, we'll talk about exactly what these black keys are, what they're for, and how to use them. But for now, what you need to do is use these to help you navigate your keyboard and find the letters you want very quickly. Because obviously, if you can find them looking at them like this, then you can find them on any keyboard or piano, whether it's full size or not full size. Also, you want to remember that keyboards do not always start on an A, and they don't always end on a C. So if you are working with something that is not a full size, full 88 key keyboard or piano, you will also need to utilize these sets of 2s and 3s to figure out what key your keyboard actually starts and ends on, and that will give you the range of how many keys and notes that you can play. So that is the lesson for today. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video and want to continue to see more, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and also click that button down there that says notify me when new lessons get posted. And I look to see you soon. Bye.